Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Disha Patani. Disha Patani stunned in all black leather outfits that showcase her edgy and fearless side. She wore a body-hugging leather coat-set tops paired with a high slit skirts and knee-high boots. The dark tone accentuated her sharp features, while the smoky eyes and sleek straight hair added a sultry vibe. The set design features metallic backdrop and moody lighting, making the look stand out even more. Her confident pose and commanding expression proved her versatility beyond soft glamour, embracing fairy fashions with unapologetic boldness. Disha looked nothing short of a dream in a flowing white floral gowns for an inspired photoshoot. The gown had dedicated embroideries and sheer sleeves, adding a romantic touch. Her makeup was minimal with soft peaches tone and her hair gathered in loose waves. The backdrop was a garden-themed setup with pastel florals and natural light filtering through trees, enhancing the fairy tale effect. This shoot captured her grace and elegance, portraying her as a modern-day muse, effortlessly blending nature charm in a casual yet captivating photoshoot. Disha rocked a streetwear vibe in a ripped high-waist denim paired with a new crop top and her oversized jackets. The photo was clicked in an urban photoshoot setup, graffiti walls, staircases. Her hair was tied in a messy bun with a few standard following loose, and she wore chunky sneakers and completed the cool girls aesthetic. Her pose was weird, relaxed yet powerful, proving that comfort and style can go hand in hand when paired with the right attitude. Disha embodies a modern mermaid in a glittering, bodycon sequence gowns in hue sea greens and silvers. The gown had a plugging neckline and a dramatic trail that added a fluid movement of her pictures. Her wet hair look and metallic eyeshadow enhanced the aquatic-inspired themes. The shoot was done against the beachy backdrops with artificial water effects and subtle lighting. She looked mystical and alluring, like a siren of fashion, mesmerizing viewers with her presence. In a traditional Indian attire shoot, Disha wore a rich maroon velvet lehenga with intricate golden zari work, paired with heavy kunda jewelry and a mang tikka. She exuded royal bridal vibe. The shoot took place in a vintage heavily setup with antique props, adding to the regality. Her expression was soft yet intense, reflecting the pose of a classical Indian beauty. This photoshoot showed Disha's ability, proving her versatility across fashion generation. Challenging her fitness freak sides, Disha poses for a high energy photoshoots in athleisure wear. She wore a neo sport bra, high-waisted tie-dye bomber jacket. Her toned abs and dynamic pose highlighted her athletic physiques, like setup with dramatic lighting and workout props. The shoot emphasizing both strength and style. The suit glance, screen effect, and motion shot made the entire series vibrant and motivating. Disha wore a lace symbols with finger beads and flowy silhouettes in ethnic tones like olive green and burnt orange. Her hair was styled in soft wave with tribal headpieces, and she wore ethnic jewelry to complement the vibe. The shoot was done in a desert setup with rustic tents and dunes, creating a vandalist aura. The natural tone and her expressive eye gave the shoot a free-spirited, soulful edge. Disha wore in a pastel pink coat-set mini dress with ruffled detailing and a sweatered neckline in the recent editorial photoshoot. Styled with pear accessories and soft curls, she exudes femininity and charm. The set was decorated in soft hue, plush cushion, and vintage mirrors, reflecting a delicate romantic mood and playful pose and dreamy eyes. Brought life to the fairy tale themes, showing a softer, more graceful side as a style icon. For a futuristic themed shoot, Disha experimented with metallics, running a silver holographic jumpsuit and metallic makeups. Her hair was styled in a high ponytail with a cyberpunk edge. The backdrop was an abstract set with new lighting and reflective surface. The shoot had a high fashion editorial feels, and Disha's bold expression and commanding poses added to the avant-garde concept. This was a departure from her usual looks, yet she pulled it for effortlessly. In a visually poetic shoot, Disha posed in a most green flowy dress with floral appliques in a dense garden setting. The styling was inspired by nature and mythology. Barefoot on grass, surrounded by wildflower, her dovey makeup, soft brown lips, and loosely tied braid matches the ethereal vibe. The entire series had a storytelling touch, portraying her as a goddess for nature, sense of enhancing, blending fantastic with Hugh culture. Disha Patani is admired for her flawless beauty and striking physical features. She has tall and slender frame with a height of around 5 feet 7 inches tall, and a toned figure that reflects her dedication to fitness. Her glowy skin, sharp jawline, expressive eye, and luster brown hair added to her natural charm. Disha's physique is athletic yet feminine, making her a perfect blend to softness and strength. Whether she in bikini, lehengas, or a casual outfit, her body language and pose make her stand out effortlessly. Disha is widely known as style icon and fitness diva in the Indian entertainment industry. Her social media presence is massive, with millions of followers who adore her fashion, fitness routine, and glamorous photo shoot. In the media, she is often portrayed as a glamorous, confident, and bold personality. She is also seen as a youth influences and a trendsetter, often grabbing headlines for her siblings, red carpet appearance, vacation looks, and a brand endorsement. Disha's fashion sense is a perfect blend between bold, glamorous, and effortlessly chic. She often opts for body-hugging dresses, short healthy shore, and style code sets. Her western fashion choices are edgy and modern, while she carries ethnic outfits like lehengas and sari with equal grace. Disha fed to experiments with metallic gowns, sheet dresses, tight-head slits, or backless symbols. Her style often reflects as youthful, daring, and sensuous appeal that resonates strongly with Gen Z. Her dressing sense is versatile yet distinct, from sultry red carpet gowns and casual denim looks to traditional bridal wear. Disha knows how to carry every outfit with elegance. She loves minimalistic accessories and lets her outfits do most of talking. Her wardrobe often features pastel shades, natural tone, and bold black and metallic. She frequently chooses fitted silhouetter that accentuated her figure and affect to front her bold side with daring necklines or high slits. Disha Patani began her career as a model. Apart from acting, she is known for her dance performance, acting sense, and music video. Disha is also a popular face in the brand endorsement world, working with top fashion, beauties, fitness brands. Her career graph was consistently evolved, placing her among the top glamorous actors in the Bollywood. Her glowy skin, sharp jawline, expressive eye, and luster brown hair added to her natural charm. Disha's physique is athletic yet feminine, making her a perfect blend to softness and strength. Disha knows how to carry every outfit with elegance. She loves minimalistic accessories and lets her outfits do most of talking. in a visually poetic shoot. Disha posed in a most green flowy dress with floral appliques in a dense garden setting. The styling was inspired by nature and mythology. Barefoot on grass, surrounded by wildflower, her dovey makeup, soft brown lips, and looks that bread matches the thrill vibe. So guys, here are some detail of Disha Patani, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Salib Click for more videos like this.